All right, I'm gonna go upstairs. They're gonna follow me upstairs, so here we go.
Good seeing you, John.
Thank you.
Be good.
Man, you're famous. We're going to be on TV all
I
day
know, I'm
long.
gonna be famous. You have to pay them to be famous, though.
What I like about what you've done too is it's kind of like grandma on the iPhone. You know, when you go through, it's so intuitive. The way that the employees will be using the software, and to me as a business owner, that's really what's important to me.
I need visualization. I need to be able to forecast. I need to do all these things. As an owner, I want them to come to my phone in a text message at the end of the day.
Yeah.
I want to know how much money I made. I want to be able to have control over the business. So we gave all those operators those tools. We've been doing it. We're having fun doing it, to be honest.
Definitely, after just talking to him and really like right now, we're opening up the dispensary in Fairfax coming in a few months. And these are things that are coming into my mind as a business owner, you know, transparency, compliance, functionality. And it's just nice to know that there's things in place like this that'll help my business. So
Yeah,
I appreciate you.
You know I got you.
Could be going on, going on, could be going on, going on, something could be going on.
I heard you guys are the buzz of the show.
There we are.
You guys are like,
I mean, I'm not getting mic'd up and like video taped. Say hi. Oh no, Sarah Bob. Oh, Kodak moment right here. Right, we should.
Could be going on, going on. When I look at you, when I look at you, something could be going on.